Welcome to our YouTube video on breeding dogs and cats. As pet lovers, we understand the excitement and joy that comes with the prospect of bringing a new furry friend into the world. However, breeding dogs and cats requires careful consideration and planning to ensure the health and well-being of the animals. In this video, we will provide you with professional and insightful information on the breeding process, including the importance of selecting the right breeding pair, the breeding timeline, and the responsibilities of a breeder. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of what it takes to breed dogs and cats responsibly and ethically. So, let's dive in and learn more about the world of animal breeding. As a pet owner, raising a dog or a cat can be a highly rewarding experience. Not only do these furry friends bring joy and companionship into our lives, but they also provide us with a sense of responsibility and purpose. However, raising pets is not as easy as it may seem, and there are several things to consider before bringing one into your home. In this article, we'll cover some basic information about raising dogs and cats to help you become a responsible and loving pet owner. Firstly, it's important to understand that dogs and cats have different needs and behaviors. Dogs are social animals and require regular exercise, socialization, and training. On the other hand, cats are more independent and usually require less attention than dogs. It's important to research the specific breed of dog or cat you are interested in and understand their unique traits and needs. When bringing a new pet home, it's essential to make sure that your home is a safe and welcoming environment. This includes securing any potential hazards like toxic plants, electrical cords, and sharp objects. It's also important to provide your pet with a comfortable and safe space to sleep, eat, and play. In terms of feeding, both dogs and cats require a balanced diet that meets their nutritional needs. There are several types of pet food available, including dry kibble, wet food, and raw food. It's essential to choose a high-quality food that is appropriate for your pet's age, breed, and activity level. Always make sure that fresh water is available to your pet at all times. Exercise is crucial for both dogs and cats, but the type and amount of exercise required may differ depending on the pet's breed and age. Dogs require regular walks, playtime, and socialization with other dogs to stay healthy and happy. Cats also require exercise and playtime, but they are usually more content with indoor play and interactive toys. Training and socialization are also essential for dogs. It's important to start training your dog from a young age to establish good behavior and obedience. Socialization is also important to help your dog feel comfortable around other people and animals. Cats, on the other hand, require less training than dogs. However, it's still important to establish boundaries and discourage unwanted behaviors like scratching or biting. You can do this by providing your cat with appropriate scratching posts and toys, as well as teaching them basic commands like no or stop. In conclusion, raising a dog or a cat requires commitment, patience, and love. By understanding the unique needs and behaviors of your pet, you can create a happy and healthy home for your furry friend. Remember to provide a safe and welcoming environment, feed them a balanced diet, give them regular exercise and playtime, and provide training and socialization when needed. With proper care and attention, your dog or cat can become a loyal and beloved member of your family.